Hello friends, this is Milani Hajinsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. The harsh chemicals in the soaps and sanitizers are making our hands very dry these days. Our hands look wrinkled and worn out than our real ages at the moment. You can see my dry and textured hands at 30. It didn't look like this a few months ago. Some of you might be thinking that my hands look fine. Well, sit down sis because it never looked like this and you can confirm that from my old videos. Today I'm sharing a method to take care of your hands by using things that you have at home before these wrinkles become permanent. Firstly, apply your favorite moisturizer's usual quantity on your hands and massage it. The outermost layer of our skin is composed of oils and wax. It acts as both a shield from the outside and a guard that maintains natural moisture in the skin. This natural barrier is broken down by the suds created by soap while washing hands, which does not discriminate between unwanted oil, germs, debris, and natural oils in the skin. Not applying hand cream can lead to dryness, redness, itching, flaking, discomfort, and in severe cases, cracks in the skin. Those with pre-existing dermatologic conditions like eczema can experience worsening symptoms. Apply the same quantity of your moisturizer again once the previous one is absorbed. We don't need a fancy moisturizer for this. A basic moisturizer that has never irritated your skin will be perfect for it. If you have sensitive skin, then make sure your moisturizer doesn't have fragrance or alcohol. Wear plastic gloves once 90% of the cream is absorbed. It will help in locking the moisture better than letting your hands air dry. I learned this technique from Uni's video and it helped me a lot in the past few months. I will be wearing one pair over these pair of gloves, like one more pair just for extra protection. So I will see you all after 45 minutes. When I remove my gloves after 45 minutes, you can see that my hands look smooth, well moisturized, less textured, and even the color of my hands looks more even. I recommend doing it once or twice a week. Most probably at night time when we have to wash our hands less. Hands remain moisturized for longer this way. I'm not an expert in this field and I'm sharing what works for me. I hope it will be beneficial for you too. Bye-bye.